How to track spending with Capital One Insights. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want a smarter way to manage your money, well, here is how to track your spending using Capital One Insight on the desktop side. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, just click on the search bar and simply search for Capital One. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of the Capital One. Now here simply log in to your account and once logged in, simply choose the credit card or checking account you want to analyze. And Capital One Insight is usually linked to your spending activity. So there look for the section called Insight, Spending Summary or Trends which can be usually found in the account menu or in the transaction area. And there you'll see a breakdown of your spending by categories like groceries, travel, dining, and much more. And you can also view monthly trends, merchant specific spending, and set alerts or budgets. And you can also filter it by date range or the transaction type to get more focused insights and track your habits efficiently. And that's it. That's how you can track your spending using the Capital One Insight. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.